Hey there, and welcome to Outdoors and Country Living. How about we make some baked bluegill today? You can use any kind of fish for this, but today we're going to use some bluegill that we caught out of a pond. So first of all, I'm just rinsing the fish fillets here to get rid of any scales that might be left behind or any blood. I'm just rinsing them under some cold water. And we're going to let those drain a little bit. Get the water off of them. We're going to be putting them into a small casserole dish. This is about 20 bluegill. So in the casserole dish, this dish is not greased or anything. We will be adding butter later on, so we don't need to add any additional fat right now. So just layer your fish fillets in your casserole dish. Kind of fill up the whole bottom. And I will be stacking them. You can use however many fish you need to feed your crew. Next, we're going to be adding some seasoned breadcrumbs. You can use whatever kind of breadcrumb you like. You could also use crushed up crackers if you don't have any breadcrumbs. Just spread that over the top of your fish. And next we will be adding seasonings that we like. Here I'm using some dried sweet basil that we grow and dry ourselves. You can use whatever you prefer, whatever tastes good to you. Next I'm using some salt-free seasoning, like Mrs. Dash. It's just a good blend of a lot of different flavors. But like I said, your kitchen, your taste, use what you like. Next, I'm using some garlic powder. And a couple tablespoons of melted butter. This is probably 3 or 4 tablespoons of melted butter. This is real butter that's salted. And we're simply going to bake this fish between 350 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. These 20 bluegill will take 10 to 15 minutes, or you bake it until it's fork tender, until you can stick a fork in it and it easily breaks off. That's going to depend, your timing will depend on how many fish you're baking. So once the fish is done, just remove it from the oven. Nice and hot, bubbling still. This makes for a very easy and very fast, nutritious meal. Quick and easy for sure. This is one of our favorite ways to cook fish that we catch when we're out fishing and have a good day. We prefer this method over fried fish. And the flavors are just amazing. But like I said, you could customize that. So here, you can see it's fork tender. It just easily breaks apart. And then we'll just cut this into servings and serve it up for everyone who's here for dinner. Super easy. Give it a try. Let us know in the comments below how you like it. You guys take care, and may God bless you. We'll see you later.